What's up, YouTube? It's your boy B-Weezy100, man. I'm up. It's like 5-7 going on 6 a.m. I started cooking this butter at damn near you might say at 1 o'clock. So I timed it. Don't count without counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Been about 5 hours. They say cook the butter about 6 hours. The longer, the better. You know what I'm saying? So what I did was it's like 118.6 grams. I weighed it on the scale, trim and shake it that I had. Use it in here. I cooked it for about, like right now it's like 6 o'clock. So you can say that the butter cooked for like about down there like 5.5 hours, most say 6. I just threw the 3 sticks of butter in it right now. And I'm gonna let that cook for like about, I say like 2 hours. Or at least until I see a lot of like foam and butter. I mean not butter, dumbass. I mean a lot of foam and bubbles, man. Because they say that that would let you know that it's done and shit. So I'm cooking it a certain way. A person that I've seen on a YouTube, how she did it or he did it, and it was real cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the video and see if I made any mistakes, which I doubt it, because I got it down packed. And then just throw this shit in the refrigerator for like 3 to 4 days, probably 5 at the most. And then I'll be ready to start making some edibles with this shit and cooking dinner and shit. So y'all, this is what my shit look like. You know, I'm just letting the butter cook with the cannabinoids, so the butter and the cannabinoids can mix up together real good. Let that cook for like about an hour or 2, probably 3. And strain this shit and throw it in the fridge, man. This is what it look like for now, man. And I'll make another video and let y'all know what the rest of that shit looking like. Peace and power, YouTube. Boom.